While sharing a public roadmap will increase data quality and avoid playing telephone between your teams, one simple and popular way to receive feedback is still most likely emails you can centralize in your feedback inbox here. The ProdCamp email feedback feature is a simple way to receive feedback for your client-facing teams and identify feedback source. To transfer emails directly to your product team, you first need to find your product ID. So you will head to Global and Product here, then just copy the ID. Now, your team can simply bookmark and transfer email feedback using your product ID at feedback.prodcamp.com like this. Make sure to instruct your team to forward the original email client so the feedback will not only be automatically parsed, but also linked to the end user data considering the from here. Finally, like all proposal, this feedback will need to be moderated, which means linked to a specific feature from your database right here and marked as processed here to close the feedback loop. Your users can then receive a personal automated notification like this one when the feature status change. This will help reignite deals lost by lack of functionalities, reduce churn, and increase product adoption. We have more dedicated resources you can check to set up all the feedback channels, or you can always reach out via our chat if you need a hand.